express 8 over x minus 3 minus 12 over x minus 3 squared as a single fraction in its simplest form. Alright, so the first thing we've got to do is to try to factorize as much as we can. It's the first step. However, in this question, they have already factorized nicely for us. Okay, so the only difference between these two fractions in terms of the denominator, right, is just another x minus 3 on the first fraction. Okay, so because when you have that, then your fractions denominators will be exactly same and you'll get x minus 3 squared. Alright, now this will be equals to 8x minus 3 minus 12, everything divided by the same denominator, times in via the rainbow method. Eight x minus 36 over x minus 3 squared. Okay, for the top part, factorize as far as you can. So take out 4, 2x minus 9, x minus 3 squared. Final answer. And you actually cannot cancel anything, so this is literally our final fraction.